We start with the most important story today. Doctors at government hospitals in several Indian states have gone on strike in a protest after the rape and murder of a trainee doctor in Kolkata on Friday. The 31-year-old woman was attacked at the state-run RG Kar Medical College, where she was a resident doctor after she went to rest in a seminar room following dinner with colleagues. Her brutalized body was found with multiple injuries, and an autopsy confirmed sexual assault and homicide. The West Bengal police will have time till Sunday to solve the rape murder case of this doctor, and this happened, remember, at Kolkata's RG Kar Medical College, failing which the CBI will take over the case. This is what Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee said Monday afternoon. The deadline for the state cops, whom Ms. Banerjee backed and praised as the best in the world, comes amid intense political pressure by the BJP. On Saturday, police also arrested Sanjay Roy, who's a civic volunteer at the hospital in connection with the attack. Roy's duties were unclear, but local media reports have said that he operated in part as a tout, helping to speed up admissions for patients in return for money. Junior doctors at RG Kar Medical College and Hospital have questioned why West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee set a 7-day deadline for solving the rape murder case of this postgraduate trainee, asserting that they would continue their strike until their demands are met. They have also written to Home Minister Amit Shah today. Over the past 3 days, all the junior doctors in the state have been attending to emergency duties, but as of Monday morning, they ceased all responsibilities. Protests by doctors demanding justice and better workplace security that initially began in Kolkata have also now spread to different parts of the country. This decision is not made lightly, but is necessary to ensure that our voices are heard. This is what the Doctors' Federation said in a statement. The Federation also said that it was demanding not only a speedy trial, but also an inquiry to pinpoint the factors that made the crime possible and urgent measures to improve the safety of doctors, especially women in hospitals. Joining us from? Okay, Anuj, you are with doctors and people of the medical professionals. Tell us what is the sentiment on ground, because now that Mamata Banerjee has also visited the victim's house and residence, and she has made a promise that the case will be handed over to the CBI in case it's not solved in a few days. Tell us what is the sentiment on ground, and are the doctors ready to budge?
Well, of course, there are several demands which have been put forth by...
Yeah, you see, the demands by the doctors here are much more greater than just getting one case solved. It is no more just a question about that unfortunate case. It has become a broader question about the safety of doctors, not even women or men doctors, of course women doctors primarily, but safety of doctors across the country. And we've been talking to a lot of these protesting doctors here at the JJ hospital, but there are a few more that we would like to talk to. Firstly, I just asked my your video journalist to show the place where the peace march has ended with the candlelight being put down right in front of the JJ hospital. Now we'll talk to a few doctors here to understand what their views are about this. Tell me that this protest, you can just come here so that I can include more people. Tell me that these protests, here at least, have now come to an end for today. How do you make sure that it is not, things like these just do not end with the end of the day, but kind of get in, or rather enter the minds of the people for a long, long time? Do you think that will be possible through these protests?
Yes, it hasn't ended just after the protest. It will continue to take a special part in our hearts, and after this, people will come to know that doctors do have a respect and do have a special place in the society.
The society.
And
Indeed. Yeah, sorry.
yes, after this, that's all.
Okay, okay. Now, you tell me, especially because these cases, it's not just a one-off case. We are seeing कि एक के बाद एक ऐसे बहुत सारे केसेस आ गए. बस ये जो कोलकाता में जो हुआ वो एक तरीके से ट्रिगर बन गया पूरे देश को उसके बारे में बात करने के लिए. जब आप इस प्रोफेशन में आए थे, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि आपके बहुत सारे एप्रीहेंशंस रहे होंगे इस प्रोफेशन के बारे में. बट क्या फिजिकल सेफ्टी उनमें से एक था? क्या आपको लगा कि फिजिकल सेफ्टी भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ हो सकती है?
हाँ, लगता है सर. अभी इतना नोबल प्रोफेशन है और ऐसा नहीं है कि उसमें सेफ्टी मतलब एक्सपेक्ट ही नहीं कर सकते कि इसमें भी सेफ्टी नहीं होगी करके, क्योंकि डॉक्टर्स है, डॉक्टर्स को सभी के साथ रहना पड़ता है. अभी वो एक लड़की थी, उसकी कैजुअलिटी थी, डॉक्टर थी, उसने उसका एक काम किया था. सो आई थिंक शी डिजर्व सेफ्टी एंड वो तो एक्सपेक्ट कर ही सकते हैं ना. पूरी अथॉरिटी से एक्सपेक्ट कर सकती है कि उसको सेफ्टी मिलनी चाहिए, बट उसको नहीं मिला.
Tell me that you guys have been staying here in the college. You are the residential doctors, and of course you travel to other hospitals as well, either exam देने के purpose से हो या फिर कोई medical या कोई as a doctor हो. तो आपको क्या लगता है आपके experience में, क्या अथॉरिटीज़ हो, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर हो, पुलिस हो, क्या वो खास ख्याल रखते हैं सेफ्टी का, या डू यू थिंक इट कैन बी इम्प्रूव्ड?
या इट कैन बी इम्प्रूव्ड. हम हर रोज़ इस मोटिवेशन से काम पे जाते हैं, वर्क पे जाते हैं कि हमें पेशेंट्स की लाइफ सेव करनी है, हमें पेशेंट्स से इंटरेक्ट करना है. और अगर हमारी सेफ्टी का ख्याल नहीं किया जा रहा है तो हमें मोटिवेशन कैसे रहेगा? हम डीमोटिवेट हो रहे हैं यहाँ पे.
सर, डॉक्टर की सेफ्टी इम्पोर्टेंट है. यहाँ कैंपस में भी अगर डॉक्टर सेफ नहीं है तो कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता.
ओके. अभी हम जो स्टार्टिंग से एक पॉइंट जिसके बारे में हम लोग बात करते आ रहे हैं वो ये है कि एक मामले में एक गुनहगार होता है और उस गुनहगार को पकड़ा गया, बट उसके साथ ऑफ कोर्स केस एंड नहीं होता है. और हम लोग बहुत सारे लोगों से पूछा कि उनकी क्या क्या नीड्स है. किसी ने कहा कि लॉ स्ट्रॉन्ग कर देने चाहिए, जैसे कि इन्होंने कहा कि सेफ्टी इंप्रूव कर देनी चाहिए. वैसे आपके हिसाब से ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें जो कि और इम्प्रूव की जा सकती है इस मेडिकल प्रोफेशन में?
यहाँ पे हर जगह पे सीसीटीवी कैमरा तो मस्ट होनी चाहिए. हर जगह पे जैसे कि लाइट्स वगैरह, डार्कनेस कहीं पे भी नहीं रहना चाहिए. हमेशा हर जगह पे पूरा मतलब एनलाइटेड रहना चाहिए. और फिर सिक्योरिटीज़ और गार्ड्स
ये रहते हैं ना वेपन, लाइक जो अपने को ये कर सकते हैं, लाइक सिक्योरिटी वही तो प्रोवाइड करेंगे ना. अगर हम लोग को कुछ इनसिक्योर फील हुआ तो हम लोग किसके साथ अप्रोच करेंगे? वही होगा कि ना कोई तो गार्ड अगर मतलब जिससे हम लोग को ऐसे लगे कि हम लोग इधर प्रोटेक्टिव है तो फिर हम लोग उधर ही जाके अप्रोच करेंगे. तो फिर वैसे गार्ड्स की नंबर बढ़ाना चाहिए, हेल्पलाइन.
आपको लगता है कि जहाँ पे भी गार्ड्स होते हैं यहाँ पे हॉस्पिटल में, मेडिकल कॉलेज में, are they successfully able to make you people feel safe here in these surroundings? या और बेहतर हो सकता है?
और बेहतर करना चाहिए, इसी पे तो ध्यान देना चाहिए. हम लोग मतलब इस सब का मोटिव यही होना चाहिए ना कि डॉक्टर्स फील सेफ करें, उनके लिए लाइक और ये करना चाहिए.
Okay. Now, as we've been noting right since the start of the day, this is not just about one specific issue. It has got its own broader sense and its own micro sense as well. At the broader sense, here the young doctors are talking about changes in the legislations, things where changes can only be brought into the parliament, say of the state or in the center.
Right. Anuj, stay with us. And these protests have actually, spread to. These protests have actually spread to other parts of the country as well, and I have my other colleagues reporting from different parts of the country. We have Tanishq from Lucknow and Saurabh Gupta from the point of all where the action already started from Kolkata. Going across to Tanishq first. Tanishq, tell us what is the sentiment on ground, because Anuj was also talking to female doctors and many of them had very important points to raise. Many of them feel that, unless there is security provided to them while they are at workplace, there is no motivation to go to work. Tell us, what are the doctors in Lucknow saying, and how are they looking at this unfortunate tragedy that we saw in Kolkata?
Well, of course, Vasudha, right now I'm at KGMU. It's one of the most prominent medical universities in Lucknow, and they are holding a candlelight march. Earlier today in the morning, a protest was held. It was more of a symbolic protest. At that point of time, no services were halted, and of course their main demands are, of course, thorough inquiry on whatever has happened, and of course increase the security measures. I would like to show you the visuals here. These are the resident doctors of KGMU. They are sitting here on a protest. This is, you can see, of course, in front of you. They held a first candlelight march. They of course took a march around the campus with candles over here. March around the campus with candles over here, and then they have sat down here right in front of the KGMU building. These are the students here, and they have been protesting since morning. Also, their main demands are of course the thorough inquiry and of course increased safety and security measures. We'll of course like to speak to one of the students here.
मैं डॉक्टर दिव्यांश हूँ।
एक बार ऐसा अपनी डिमांड्स के बारे में, if you could just tell us what are the demands of KGMU students, क्या आप लोग की डिमांड्स है क्लियरली?
देखिए, हमारी डिमांड्स केवल गिनी चुनी 2-3 है। सबसे पहली और सबसे ज़रूरी डिमांड ये है कि जो डॉक्टर साहब के साथ में कुकर्म हुआ, जितना निर्दयनीय, मतलब इतनी दर्दनाक उनके साथ में दुर्घटना हुई, वो किसी के साथ में ना हो। उसके लिए ज़रूरी है कि उनके साथ में जल्द से जल्द न्याय मिलना चाहिए। तुरंत CBI का गठन हुए और तुरंत के तुरंत उसकी जांच अच्छे से हुए, हमें रिजल्ट उसका अच्छे से मिले। जितने भी अपराधी हैं उनको फांसी से कम कोई सज़ा नहीं मिलनी चाहिए। उनके खिलाफ एकदम जल्दी से जल्दी एक्शन होना चाहिए। तो पहली चीज़ हमारी यही है कि स्विफ्ट एक्शन हो इस चीज़ पे, इम्पार्शल हो, एपॉलिटिकल हो। और दूसरी बात हमारी ये है कि जो आज पश्चिम बंगाल में हुआ है, कल वो इस देश में किसी भी कोने पे किसी भी डॉक्टर के साथ में हो सकता है। ऐसा हम बिल्कुल नहीं चाहेंगे। इसीलिए सरकार हमारे साथ दे और सरकार इंश्योर करे हम सभी की सेफ्टी, स्पेशली फीमेल्स की सेफ्टी, जो कि लेट नाइट लंबी ड्यूटीज़ उनको करनी पड़ती हैं। ऐसे में हर जगह पर सिक्योरिटी का इंतज़ाम अच्छा खासा होना चाहिए, पुख्ता होना चाहिए। प्रॉपर मतलब प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स लिए जाने चाहिए पूरे इंडिया में। मतलब कि आप स्क्रूटनी करिए कि मेडिकल कॉलेजेस में या हॉस्पिटल्स में या इवन टर्शरी केयर, सेकेंडरी केयर, प्राइमरी केयर हॉस्पिटल्स पे भी क्या सिक्योरिटी के इंतजाम पुख्ता हैं।
जैसे CCTV सिक्योरिटी गार्ड,
CCTV हो गया। रेजिडेंट्स के लिए और डॉक्टर्स के लिए सेपरेट डॉक्टर्स रूम या फिर रेजिडेंट्स रूम होने चाहिए, जिसके अंदर केवल लिमिटेड एक्सेस होना चाहिए। आज की डेट में देखिए, आए दिन आप घटनाएं देखते हैं, इस डॉक्टर के साथ में ये बदतमीजी होगी, इसको पीट दिया, वो पीट दिया। ये क्यों होता है? क्योंकि रेजिडेंट्स रूम अगर पहली बात होते नहीं है, और यदि होते भी हैं तो वहाँ पर रेस्ट्रिक्टेड एक्सेस नहीं है, वहाँ पर कोई भी आके बदतमीजी कर सकता है।
प्रोटेस्ट की बात करें तो अभी हाउ लॉन्ग इज द प्रोटेस्ट गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू? व्हाट इज द फ्यूचर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन, फ्यूचर प्लान?
सर, हमारा एकदम पीसफुल कोर्स है। हम पीसफुल तरीके से हम कैंडल मार्च कर रहे हैं। अभी के लिए हम लोगों ने कल से सभी OPD सर्विसेज, सभी इलेक्टिव सर्विसेज बंद करने का निर्णय लिया है। हमारा कॉलेज हमारे साथ है, इसमें बहुत अच्छी बात है। और हमारा यही है, यदि हमको जस्टिस नहीं मिलता है, यदि डॉक्टर साहब को जस्टिस नहीं मिलता है, हमारी मांगे पूरी नहीं होती हैं, तो ये स्ट्राइक फिर इंडेफिनिट काल के लिए कंटिन्यू।
फैकल्टीज विल आल्सो ज्वाइन।
कल फैकल्टी भी ज्वाइन करेंगे हमारे साथ, वो हमारे साथ मार्च करेंगे। कल के बाद में अगर तब भी काम नहीं होता है तो फैकल्टी के साथ में हम डिस्कस करके और हम एक्स्ट्रा क्या करेंगे। देखिए, ये मूवमेंट एस्केलेट करता जाएगा अगर हमारी मांगे पूरी नहीं होती।
So of course, the emergency services have not been stopped. Tomorrow, the non-essential services or the OPD services will be halted, and they are saying if the demands are not met, of course, the scale of the protest is going to increase, and faculties will also be joining the protest. But of course, the main concern here is about the safety and securities. We'd like to speak to. You can of course see the placards over here that all of them are holding. Save the Savior is the placard that one person is holding over here, and all of them are requiring for better safety and security measures. We'd like to speak to one of the person here. हमने आपसे सुबह बात करी थी, अब आप लोग कैंडल लाइट मार्च करें। एक बार अपनी रीट्रेट करेंगे, आपको ऐसा क्यों लगा कि आप फाइनली प्रोटेस्ट में ये तब्दील होना चाहिए?
सर, इतनी हैवानियत वाली हरकत करने के बाद से अगर अब भी पूरी मेडिकल फ्रेटर्निटी आवाज़ नहीं उठाएगी तो कब उठाएगी? हमेशा हर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, हर कॉलेज अपनी रेप्यूटेशन के लिए इन सारी चीज़ों को ऐसे ही दबा देता है। ये कब तक चलेगा? आज वेस्ट बंगाल में हुआ, कल हमारे KGMU में हो सकता है, कब यूपी के किसी भी कॉलेज में हो सकता है। इसलिए हमें सिक्योरिटी और सेफ्टी चाहिए, हमें CCTV कैमरास चाहिए, हमें सेफ्टी गार्ड्स चाहिए। हम वही डॉक्टर्स हैं जो कोविड के टाइम पे बिल्कुल नहीं सोचते थे, अपनी जान की परवाह करे बिना पेशेंट का इलाज किए। और हमारी गवर्नमेंट, यूपी गवर्नमेंट, हमारा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन क्या कर रहा है? उन्हें सिक्योरिटी तक प्रोवाइड नहीं कर सकता है। हमारे फादर कहते हैं बेटा कैंपस में रहना, सिक्योर रहोगे, सेफ रहोगे, बाहर मत जाना, चौक खराब एरिया है। हम क्या बोले पापा, हमारे कैंपस में ही रेप हो जाएगा? ये जवाब गवर्नमेंट को देना होगा, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को देना होगा। इसलिए हम ये प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं और हमारी सारी डिमांड्स मानी जानी चाहिए।
So of course there is a lot of anger in the people regarding after the horrific crime that happened in Kolkata. These are the the resident doctors of KGMU, and they are holding the protest. Early in the today in the morning also a protest was held. Now a candlelight march was held, and now the candlelight protest is going on here at the KGMU in Lucknow. Yes,
Right.
over to you.
Thank you, Danish, for getting us those voices. Save the Savior is what doctors of Lucknow are saying. Over to you, Saurabh. Next, Saurabh, this is not the first time doctors of West Bengal are protesting, are striking. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has already visited the house of this 31-year-old doctor who unfortunately died. In fact, she was raped. Tell us, what is the sentiment on ground, and what are the demands that the doctors have placed, and how is this episode snowballing in terms of politics? So we will try and connect with Saurabh in just a bit. Remember that the unfortunate tragedy of a 31-year-old being raped and getting murdered in the city of West Bengal. Saurabh is back with us. Saurabh, tell us, this is not the first time that doctors are striking in Kolkata. What is the sentiment on ground? What are the main demands of the doctors? And how is the visit of the Chief Minister to the victims' residence being seen?
Well, the Chief Minister's visit did, of course, clarify on a certain critical issues as far as this investigation is concerned. And one of that is, of course, the fact that there is going to be a CBI probe if the Kolkata police aren't able to complete their investigation by Sunday. Now, that's something the Chief Minister of West Bengal made it very clear. And also alongside her was the Commissioner of Police. Now, the Commissioner of Police did clarify on one thing, and that is, of course, if the investigation has been completed, or are they looking for perhaps more people who may be complicit with this heinous, horrific crime inside the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, which you see in the pictures behind me. In fact, that building of the emergency building is where that crime took place. Today, of course, there are protests across the country. But as far as the investigation is concerned, the Chief Minister has set a deadline for the police. Complete the probe by Sunday, or this case goes to the CBI. Now, police are, of course, looking at others. They've already arrested one of the main accused, and they say that he, of course, has been, they've found crucial evidence. One is blood spots on his shoes. The second is, of course, a Bluetooth headset. And also, they've established him at the scene of crime through CCTV footage. Now, today, of course, Kolkata is also out on the streets like we've been reporting from all other cities. And Kolkata, of course, saw thousands of citizens, students and doctors on the streets protesting against what's happened. But the larger problem really is a question about our public health system. Overburdened, understaffed, lack of space is something that is very, very familiar with hospitals like these, a government-run hospital where lakhs of patients come for treatment. And it is impossible for the police also to monitor each and every person who's going in. Of course, this happened in the night. There should have definitely been more strict security, which is why the police person at the post also has been removed from duty. But the larger question is these hospitals need to be better managed. They need more space. The state government is considering a land parcel of the Belgachia tram depot, which is a little distance away from here, to also be handed over to the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital to expand its facilities, to ensure that the hospital is better managed and more secure. But at this point, really, this incident is something that sends shockwaves across the country, and of course we've been reporting it since Friday, but obviously this is something that's really now touched a chord across the country, especially when it comes to safety of doctors, safety at the workplace, females, safety of women. These are questions that young people across the country are now asking.
Right. Thank you, Saurabh, for getting us all those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. This is a case that has snowballed into a major controversy, with doctors from across the country joining hands, protesting against what happened, this unfortunate tragedy that happened in Kolkata.